Today we are going to show you how to post payroll entries. Before posting your first payroll entry, you will need to make sure you have all the information set up for the time period you are posting. To do this, click on Payroll, Payroll Information, click on New, enter the check date, the description, and the low and high earning effective dates. Click on Save and Done. Now that this is done, you can start posting your payroll entries. You can either click on the PR Post button or click on Payroll, then Payroll Post. Next, choose the effective date. This is the actual earnings date of the payroll you are posting. Note that the date you enter must fall on or between the low and high earning dates you set up in the payroll information. The next journal number available will automatically pop up. The Borrowing Journals tab can be very helpful if you are posting the same information as another day. A great example of this would be holiday pay. You could borrow the journal you posted the last time you had a holiday and simply edit anything that has changed or add anything additional, such as overtime. A helpful hint would be to make the description for this as holiday and save that journal with just the holiday time. You can always borrow the journal and add the overtime or anything different on that journal later. Just make sure when you borrow this journal that there hasn't been any major hourly rate increases since the last time you used this holiday journal. Now click on OK. First, enter the employee number of the person you are posting. Tab over to the PR code. You'll notice here that it is set up as regular. If you want this to be your standard default, simply click the push pin button and that will make regular as your default code. If for some reason you are not posting regular time, simply use the pull down menu to find the different types of time that you have, perhaps vacation, sick, overtime, etc. Next, tab to the rate and then to the account number area. Enter the necessary account number, then tab to the hours section and enter the correct number of hours. At this point, if you don't have any equipment, you could simply click on Save to commit this entry. However, if you have equipment to add to this entry, tab over to Add Equipment and click on it. Enter the equipment number you need to add or use the pull-down menu to find it. Then enter the associated hours and click the Save button. Once you are done entering all the information for the employee and their equipment, click on the outer Save button. You can repeat these steps for every employee until your payroll is posted. Once everyone is entered, or if you need to take a break, click on Commit and enter a description that will help you easily identify it should you need to go back and edit or add additional information later. Then click OK. OK again, and done. This completes the process for entering payroll information. Please note there are extra areas that you can click on in the posting process, such as MERS exempt, comp time, and other items that may pertain to your specific entity. If you have any questions on how these work, please do not hesitate to contact us.